Hi, my name is Scott Blackburn. I'm one of the Memorial General Surgeons offering services in general surgery at the main campus down in Gulfport, Mississippi, as well as Wiggins, Mississippi. So the good thing about general surgery is that it's a broad category. So we provide operations that cover traumatic injuries and a whole host of other general surgeries such as hernias and gallbladders, soft tissue masses, thyroid, bariatrics, breast. And so we get a wide variety. So for somebody like me who likes to do something different all the time, it's great. I think the reputation in Stone County before Memorial took it over was low. I don't think that the general public had an appreciation of what services were offered. And now that Memorial has taken over Stone County, those services are much more apparent, they're much more readily available, and the quality of care provided is at the highest level. And we offer all the specialties up there that we do down here. Most of our stuff does come through a primary care referral, but if your insurance company doesn't require it, you can look us up in the phone book and by all means call and schedule an appointment.